We are in sector. Gunner up. Scanning with
Roger
thermals.
that, Charlie
We have
902.
multiple personnel with
Headed for evac. Mission is a go.
Understand, we are on
Back.
Mr. Charlie's. Over. Charlie 902.
Engines winding up.
5, that is Dave.
Responding now, Charlie 902. This is Scarecrow 3-1.
Keep targets that are meeting
This
threat mode.
is Rescue 6 Actual coming in. Dropping 3 back. I see you green. I can look at that, guys. Going up. How about RPM? Ah! EMP! Ah! We're just an unarmed transport. You don't have to do this. Quit trying to fire at us. We are an unarmed transport. You need to quit firing now. We are an unarmed transport. I repeat, an unarmed transport. See your position. Hovering an air package. Trying to go down, over. Trying to go down. How's it looking? We're falling into a correct stall. Now we go in. Engines up, engines up, engines up. Poop. Now we're going. We're pretty low. Request to go up. Missile! Missile! Incoming! Fire flares now! Flares, missile deducted. Come on, let's move, green platoon. Charlie Bravo, this is Echo Niner. I really don't think we can be your extraction team today. I really don't think so. Co-pilot's acting a bit wonky. I think he's high. Yeah, I think our co-pilot's cold out here. Come to your position, Charlie 29er. There's been no radio response. How's it looking? Not bad. Good. Oh, our engines are in a stall. Engine to stall, engine to stall, engine to stall! Engine to stall! Engine to stall! Mayday! 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 This is Rescue Actual! We're going down! We're going down! Please! We're going down!